Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start the very first kind of the sentence, that is assertive or declarative kind, and we'll talk about the transformation of direct narration into indirect narration. Our reporting speech is in past tense and we'll talk about different tenses in reported speech. So without wasting a single moment, let's get started. The very first sentence will be reported speech in present indefinite tense. And here are the examples. The first one is, she said, I like clouds in the sky. And the indirect narration is, she said that she liked clouds in the sky. He said, I am unwell. He said that he was unwell. They said, our teacher is on leave. They said that their teacher was on leave. Arif and Aisha said to their mother, we like mangoes. Arif and Aisha told their mother that they liked mangoes. Now it's time for reported speech in present continuous tense. She said, I'm helping my mother in the kitchen. She said that she was helping her mother in the kitchen. He said, she is watering the plants in the garden. And the indirect narration is, he said that she was watering the plants in the garden. He said, they are not doing their duty well. He said that they were not doing their duty well. He said to me, you are not running very fast. He told me that I was not running very fast. Now it's turn of reported speech in present perfect tense. The teacher said to us, you have not completed your drawing. The teacher told us that we have not completed our drawing. Next example is, she said, they have not eaten their meals. And the indirect narration is, she said that they had not eaten their meals. The teacher said, I have often told you not to play with fire. The teacher said that she had often told me not to play with fire. And the last example is, my brother said to me, you have missed the point completely. My brother told me that I had missed the point completely. Now it's turn for reported speech in present perfect continuous tense. She said, I have been doing my homework since 2 p.m. The indirect narration is, she said that she had been doing her homework since 2 p.m. He said, they have been reading the books for 2 days. He said that they had been reading the books for 2 days. The attendant said, the patient has been waiting for the doctor for 1 day. The attendant said that the patient had been waiting for the doctor for 1 day. Reported speech in past indefinite tense. And the examples are, he said, I completed my drawing half an hour ago. He said that he had completed his drawing half an hour then. She said, I did not go to school yesterday. She said that she had not gone to school the previous day. She said he rang me up at 12. She said that he had rung her up at 12. And the last example is, he said the boys did not put up a good show last night. And the indirect narration is, he said that the boys had not put up a good show the previous night. Now it's time for reported speech in future tense. She said, I shall never do such a thing. She said that she would never do such a thing. The girl said, they will wait for us for 1 hour only. The girl said that they would wait for them for 1 hour only. They said, we shall never make a promise we cannot fulfill. They said that they would never make a promise they could not fulfill. He said, I hope you will not repeat this mistake. He said that He hoped I would not repeat that mistake. And now it's time for reported speech in future perfect tense. He said, I will have returned the books. He said that he would have returned the books. He said, she will have gone there. He said that she would have gone there. And the last example is, she said, I will not have agreed with you. She said that she would not have agreed with me. So these were all the examples of declarative or assertive sentences that have been changed from direct narration into indirect narration. I hope you'll go for the practice, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.